In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. Let's create a sphere. In edit mode, let's poke faces, and select similar the vertices in the middle like this. Shift G to select similar. Let's scale the vertices, and add some twists. Let's add one more simple deform modifier. I'll scale the mesh on the x-axis. This is optional, but I'll add a displace modifier next. We're not getting much differences here, because our spike mesh doesn't have much geometry on its surfaces. The displace modifier will also dramatically increase the render time, so please consider it as an optional modifier to use. The idea is to duplicate this mesh and scale it. We need to make sure we can't see the gray background. I'll create a plane, rotate it, and scale it, in order to block the background. Let's apply the materials and render the scene. I'm using a forest EXR HDRI file. If you don't know how to find that file, please watch a tutorial in the description below. I'll add a point light to remove the dark region in the middle. I'll use 16 samples to save time. Please use at least 128 samples for the best looking result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.